Got right here survival belt. How cool is that? Let's open it up, see what's inside here. There's instructions on the inside. You got yourself a belt buckle, and there's right here the attachment to the belt buckle. I think it's going to go into here. There you go. You gotta twist it and put it in. There you go. You got right here flashlight and fire starter, but we'll get to it. Let's open this up. This is one of those amazing slide belts. This is what actually it's called, and as you can see, you can cut it at any point, make it shorter, longer, does not matter. So what you need is grab one of those things. You don't want to push it all the way in, or it will be impossible to take it out. Right here you have here ferro rod, fire striker. They're usually really good quality. Then you want to use this to open this up and put the belt to. Okay, you put the belt to, and you see those spikes. If you need to make it shorter, no problem. Oh man, this is difficult. There you go. It will really eat into it. Okay, going to put this back in, lay a flashlight and spin it a little bit. Let me show you how the belt works. It's so awesome. All you have to do is just push it in, and do you hear it? It just slides and clicks. As tight as you want. You want to release it, pull it up, pull it. You don't want it to release, grab it by the belt, not going to release. Easy to release, easy to put it back in. This is, I'm telling you, next level belt. You don't have to get the survival one. You can get the regular belt buckle, and it works so well. Look at that. It's like a zip tie almost. Okay, but what else we have here beside the belt? Obviously you can pop this up and just use a belt buckle only. You have flashlight, you have fire striker. So then you pull this up and you have here a little knife. It's a good looking box cutting knife. Can close this back up, again lift it, close it. And also a little bottle opener. Let's put it to the test. So that's a definite survival item over here, a bottle opener. In case you can find a bunch of bottles in the forest, you can open them up, right? I know, just a joke, but anyways, a knife, flashlight, and an awesome belt buckle system. I wouldn't call it a survival belt, but it's pretty cool. Fire starter and a knife belt. You could use a knife for so many things, but I think this is more like a box cutter knife. I think the only real survival item over here is a fire starter, maybe flashlight, knife maybe for self-defense, not so much for the actual bushcrafting over there and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool item over here for sure.